Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name's Momo and I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm showing you some things that I got at Zillabeau. If you haven't heard of them, they sell Korean nail supplies, mostly, also some Japanese brands as well. The first thing I got here was the Izemi top gel in high, which is like the thick version of their top gel. Really beautiful, very clear. The Izemi top gels are pretty much my favorite, I would say. I think that's probably safe to say. And then the other thing I got was this, not the full set, but several of the fiote neon ink fit collection. They're beautiful, which I'm sure you can see, and I've had my eye on them for a while, so I was really excited to play around with these. And yeah, I did place this order during their sale. I do like to wait and order from Zillabeau if it's getting close to July. They seem to have an annual birthday sale every year, so a little hot tip to do that if you're interested in ordering around this time of year. So these inks are interesting. I don't have a ton of experience with ink, but from the inks that I've tried, these definitely stand out as having a different formula. Most inks seem to just be like alcohol and pigment, and they take a second to dry, and usually you use a bit of acetone or alcohol on a brush to play around with the ink and create kind of like marbly lines. So that's what I'm used to with ink. And with these, they smell like and they feel like they have some property that is similar to a traditional nail polish. They smell like kind of like a traditional nail polish, and they dry down quickly. The benefit of that is that you can layer a color on top of itself much more easily. The downside, or at least the part that I haven't figured out yet, is that you can't use that same alcohol or acetone trick to create like the same type of marble. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I wonder if anyone else has tried these and noticed the same thing. They feel like a different formula, and I'm still kind of figuring it out, but it feels innovative too. So here they all are together. Beautiful watercolor vibe. Excited to try and do some more stuff with these. Yeah. So the next bit is some more stuff, mostly from Tiny, that a friend of mine got. This is the Izemi Art Glitter in 011, and you'll see it's like different colors of metallic film that's in shards, basically. And then also the Satin Beam bonniebee, Purple Beam satin powder. It's like a holographic, not holographic, but iridescent is the word I meant, chrome powder. And then these beautiful Fantasia flakes from Jinaunni. I think that's how you pronounce it. I heard it recently. Flakies are so fun. They break down almost to a chrome. You can see them in use there on the right, and also most of the nails have the chrome powder that I just showed on them as well. And then also we have the neon ice cream collection from Tiny. This is kind of the piece de resistance, I would say. Pardon my French, which is not very good. So this friend, I've mentioned her before, but I do her nails from time to time, and she has been keeping her eye on stuff that she's interested in, and she's had her eye on this for a while. So yeah, she finally, during the sale, was able to pick these up, and I'm excited to play around with them on her. They're really beautiful. Tiny obviously always has beautiful packaging. That part's a no-brainer, but more importantly, a really nice formula as well. It's very self-leveling. It's very opaque in one coat. And yeah, they're just very nice to work with in my experience. Also, the color stories I feel like are always very interesting. I think Korean brands do that really well, creating interesting colors and interesting collections overall that feel cohesive and, I don't know, just a little bit different. But these feel like they'll be very universal in a way. Sometimes with neons, they feel very specific to summer, but making this kind of the ice cream neon or a bit more pastel neon, I think means that they'll see a lot of use, which is really nice. So as we're finishing up these swatches, I want to say thank you to anyone who's watching. I just hit 400 subscribers yesterday, which is really cool. And yeah, it's been really fun to share this hobby with other like-minded people who do their own nails, and also people who don't do their own nails but enjoy watching this process. Yeah, I appreciate the support, and yeah, just wanted to say thank you for being here. Also, I wanted to say happy birthday to someone very special, E, who's turning 10 today. I did do their nails a couple of weeks ago, which I took a little video of, so I'm going to insert that at the end of this video. So happy birthday to E. I hope today is wonderful and that this is a great year. Okay, so we're putting on the little swatches here. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's just very satisfying to watch, for me at least. But yes, how beautiful is this collection altogether? I mean, just gorgeous. Really beautiful stuff. So anyway, I will leave you here. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to being back with a video soon. And if you like this, I hope you'll like and subscribe and also leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Please enjoy these nails, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.